What are you doing, Kent? Are you getting the ice off your car so you could ride it? You're working hard. What is that? Are you gonna kick it? Kick the ice off? Did you get it? Oh, there's a big chunk. There you go. Good job. Is it working?